Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mobile Zone. Today we're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy J15 Pro 2026. A phone that's clearly designed for people who want a smooth, reliable smartphone experience without stepping into flagship price territory. At first glance, the Galaxy J15 Pro 2026 feels more premium than you might expect. Samsung has refined the design with clean lines, a comfortable grip, and a solid in-hand feel that makes it easy to use all day long. The back panel has a subtle finish that resists fingerprints, while the camera layout looks modern and well-balanced, giving the phone a confident, up-to-date appearance. Asterisk when you turn on the display. That's where the phone really starts to impress for its category. The screen is bright, sharp, and well-tuned for everyday use. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching YouTube videos, or reading articles, colors look natural, text appears crisp, and the overall viewing experience feels smooth and enjoyable. Samsung's experience with displays clearly shows here, making this phone comfortable for long viewing sessions without causing eye strain. Asterisk performance-wise. The Samsung Galaxy J15 Pro 2026 is built to handle daily tasks with ease. Apps open quickly. Switching between tasks feels smooth. And everyday activities like messaging, browsing, and streaming work without frustrating slowdowns. This phone is clearly optimized for efficiency, making it a great option for students, office users, and anyone who wants a dependable device for regular use. Even with extended usage, the system feels stable, which is something many users truly appreciate. Asterisk the camera setup on the Galaxy J15 Pro 2026 focuses on delivering consistent and reliable results. In good lighting, photos come out clear with balanced colors and decent detail. It's the kind of camera you can trust for everyday moments, family photos, and quick shots for social media. The front camera also does a solid job for selfies and video calls, keeping skin tones natural and images sharp. While it may not be competing with high-end flagship cameras, definitely delivers more than enough quality for most users. Asterisk one of the strongest points of this phone is its battery life. Samsung has clearly focused on making sure the Galaxy J15 Pro 2026 can easily last through a full day and beyond with normal use. Whether you're watching videos, chatting, or browsing the internet, the battery holds up well and reduces the stress of constantly looking for a charger. Fast and efficient charging support also means you can quickly power up and get back to your routine. Asterisk on the software side. The phone feels clean, intuitive, and easy to use. Samsung's interface is user-friendly, offering useful features without feeling overwhelming. Security options, customization settings, and smooth animations all come together to create a comfortable experience, especially for users who want simplicity with a touch of flexibility. Asterisk overall. The Samsung Galaxy J15 Pro 2026 stands out as a smart and balanced smartphone choice. It combines a refined design, a pleasant display, dependable performance, solid cameras, and strong battery life into one affordable package. If you're looking for a phone that focuses on real-world usability rather than flashy gimmicks, this device definitely deserves your attention. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more honest smartphone reviews right here on Mobile Zone.